Okay. Oh shit, I didn't increase it. Yeah. I didn't flip my transmitter antenna. Wow, video looks like crap right now. There we go. I think I said that on yesterday when I came out. Just noticed the same thing, that just that area just does not like how the signals bounce. Like here's perfect, clear, no issues, slightly noise but nothing crazy. Just in between those trees, or just after I pass them, it's just like garbage, man. Yeah, buddy. Been enjoying doing those loop-de-loops or power loops. Obviously there's some that just gonna hit hard or not close enough, but it just looks cool. Where are the gold poles? Oh, here it is. Let's drop it. Where's the other one? There it is. Oh, it's at 10. So what's that? But now that's the Halloween decoration of the house. So like the 3 or 4 weight things standing in there. I was like, why are they just standing there? More you know. Ambitious, a little bit. Alright. Risky, sure. Danger's my middle name. And then I go to the floor and smack the thing and just crash it. Alright, alright. Not too bad. Wow, thought it was gonna drop, but not. Didn't get low enough in the throttle. Fine. Done.